Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're looking at kitchen products here. Like we're basically, we're making a fresh juice here.
Yeah.
Making a fresh juice, right? Now let me just tell you, if you're looking to sell, for example, kitchen products, right? Let me just share this with you. And let's say, for example, you wanted to jump in on the Japanese market, which we actually have a client selling in the Japanese market. Go to YouTube, type in Japanese kitchen, because a Japanese kitchen, I tell you this right now, will be very different from an Australian kitchen or American kitchen. This is a 4-piece toaster, right? You think in Japan, with an average household, a demographic of a 2-person household, even a single household, are gonna need something like a four inlets for toast, right? Absolutely not. So go to YouTube, look at Japanese kitchens before you try and launch your kitchen product on that market, because every market is very different. Every market is very different, and you need to make sure whether or not your particular product will sell in that marketplace. Like you look at kettles, right? This is way too big for a Japanese market, right? Same thing goes with fridges, right? You got, all this sort of stuff. Like this is way too big. Japanese, if you go to the Japanese store, I believe it's there's one in Sydney, but they're all about basically compact size. They're all about making small products, or products that are basically small size, compact size. All right, and these are just things to think about. These are things that this gentleman right here, my mate Jeff, doesn't tell you about. These are things you need to figure out for yourself, or invest in education. Invest in someone who has been there, done it before, and someone that can guide you on product selection, all right? Give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. I'd love to have a chat with you. Let's get something started on Amazon. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.